Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Platform, and today I'm going to show you the next video tutorial of shopping cart project. In this project I'm going to show you first of all order table that is newly designed by me, and in which we have ID, product name, email, quantity, product price, product ID, and order date. So these are the also set ID as identity and other remaining fields with their data types. So in the last video tutorial I have seen a cart.aspx, and in which we have a table, but just reconfigure it by using just a show smart tag and generate. Also check the generate links, that is insert, update, delete options also there, and where options with the session email. So just add it and click to next and test query, finish it. So there is an options. We have also set the edit columns. Okay, so just enable editing, enable deleting option is there, and after that is set edit columns. You know that as number 2 index we have a quantity, so product price. So the first column is represent the delete action. The second column represent the product name. That third column is represent the product price. I mean to say that in order to 0, 1, 2, 2 is the product price. Okay, so why we set the product price 2? Because in the code behind file we have to set in the last video tutorial product price is actually in the position number 2. Okay, you have already seen that. So just check it that is properly working or not. So yeah, and the first of all login into the system, and after that you got a delete action method, yes there, but the total amount is not reflected. So just cart is 300 is reflected. So now after that we have to go to the proceed payment. Just when we click on the proceed to payment method, we go to the payment page first of all. So just you have to add response.redirect and just go to the payment page, payment.aspx, and you will see that payment.aspx. In the payment.aspx you have to design a simple form looking like that, form that is a card information, name of the card, card number, and CVV number, expiry years, something like that. In later session I will validate that form, and after that first of all when we complete the order, okay, so after we will validate that form in later videos, but today I'm going to show you how to proceed the payment. I mean to say that complete order, that card detail will be going to the orders. So just working on the on that button, complete order. Okay, complete order. Okay, so that is already we have like that. The SQL connection I mean to say that is mandatory. So just add a just after that class, and command is also initialized, so SQL command is also there. So just you have to add it, and in the constructor you have to initialize the property of your SQL connection property, your SQL connection class. So connection string property inside your constructor, inside the payment constructor. Payment is a class name and connection string is configured. After that we have to use button click event. So you can use in the button click event, we have to assign that thing where retrieve cart information, and cart information is retrieving according to the session email, where the email ID is this. After that you can assign the email, you can assign that table into the data table, into the data set. You can say insert row to order that data set. Okay, and after that insert row to order, So that cart information is actually stored in the data set. After that you can store into the order table, so that field is used it here. So insert row to order as it is here, con dot first of all connection close and reopen your connections. After that con dot open, and in the command text you can see insert into order. That cart information is stored into the data table. After data table you can retrieve data from data table and stored into the order table. Okay, so you have cart information. After go to the order, you must to delete all information from your cart. So actually cart is a temporary data table actually, you can say, but here we have a cart separate cart table. So that is thing is pretty simple and quite easy. So after inserting all cart information into the order, must to close the connection and after reopen into for the delete from the cart method. Okay, so the command text is that is the delete in the delete command. So select asterisk from cart, that is not there. So delete is the command name at here, and just I want to delete, just delete it and delete from table name. Command dot command text, that is the delete from cart where email equals to email, and parameter is also assigned. And cmd dot execute none query is there. Okay, so just run it and you will you have to see the output of that project. So first of all log into the system by using the cart, that is automatically redirect to the login page. After you have to see in that payment page, you will see payment.aspx. Yeah, just click on the complete order button and you got a oops, email is already actually been used, so it's a scalar variable, do not use multiple times, so just rename it the email in the delete from cart. So 2 is here and 2 is here. So thank you guys for watching this video and keep watching all other videos which is related to shopping cart, and I think you like that all tutorial from given by me. And if you like this video, please share this video on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook account. If your profile is much good, then you help me a lot. So please share this video on your WhatsApp, and I will help you in other code files and other related projects. You have to design it. Just ping me on my email ID, and you got any information related to ASP.NET C#, ASP.NET MVC, ASP.NET Core, and many other projects like the C#. So there is, and also subscribe my channel, because don't forget, please subscribe my channel. I need your support. If you support me, then I will give you a more tutorial about related to the projects. Okay, so if you doubt anything, please comment me just given below on this video if you any doubt. So thank you for this video and keep watching all others.